Welcome back, guys. We used some super clean, degreaser in the can. Let's put down the transmission housing of the 7610. I only got one more part and this thing's fully gutted. Then it's off to pressure washing. So, that's why we're spraying this down. And I might do some levels, so I'm not going to spray that side down yet. Okay. A little grease brush. I mean, besides the gasket in there, look at that. Look how much layer that is of just grease and clutch pack and like straight tar. What it is. Straight tar. I might have to paint the inside of the Italians too with orange. Or I might just paint them black. I mean, I want it to be a full restoration back to better than original, but it's like, I don't know about that orange. I mean, it's kind of a weird orange. And then on the outside, they primed them on the outside too. And then you can't prime the machine surfaces. So, there's that. But, I don't know. Could I just paint the insides black? It would look probably better. There's a couple spots on the differential housing that are bare metal right now. So, on the inside of that. So, you're going to need to get something on it. So, I don't know. But, thought I'd make this little video of using some super clean in the can. It's awesome. It's like the what's in the spray bottle, but in the aerosol can. So that's awesome. So I'll put a link in the description to Super Clean's website and you go check them out. So please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.